In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw and sell your Hamster Kombat tokens. As the Hamster Kombat project is gradually coming to an end, many of you might be wondering how to sell your tokens to gain your full rewards. Let's dive in. First, make sure you've selected an exchange. Some popular options include Binance or Bybit. For this tutorial, we'll be using Bybit. Ensure your wallet is connected to your Hamster Kombat account. This is crucial because the rewards from Hamster Kombat will be sent to your linked wallet. Now go to your Ton wallet. Once Hamster Kombat rewards you, the balance will appear under the Hamster Kombat section. Initially it will show as 0, but once you're paid you'll see the balance indicating the amount of Hamster Kombat tokens. In your Ton wallet, find the Hamster Kombat section and click on Swap. Click on the swap icon. Click on Select and search for the Hamster Kombat token. For demonstration, let's use USDT as an example, since the Hamster Kombat token isn't launched yet. Input the amount of Hamster tokens you received, and then click on Buy to exchange it for Ton. Once you've swapped your tokens to Ton, the balance will reflect in your Ton wallet. Now open your Bybit app and go to the Assets section. Click on Deposit and search for Ton. Copy the Ton deposit address. Now go back to your TonKeeper app and click on Send. Paste the Bybit deposit address. Specify the amount you want to transfer and click on Continue to send it to your Bybit account. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.